Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your homes. Your examinations are underway. The political science paper is being taken on 6th of December 2020. As per the information we have, it would be a CBSE pattern paper as many students called me, and there is lying model paper on the website of the board that is of the CBSE pattern, and this CBSE pattern paper would be asked and it would be purely based on your prescribed syllabus curriculum. Dear students, how to handle this paper, and there is also a passage asked and map question is asked, how you can handle that passage if it is asked, how and how you can handle the map question if this question is asked. Dear students, the passages are of two types. One is the seen passage, another is the unseen passage. Seen passage is that passage which you have read earlier, and unseen passage you have never seen. And when the passage is given there, you have to search the answers taken out the questions from that very passage. The answers you have to search from that very passage, and the questions would be taken from that very passage. Remember, there would be short passage, and after that, there would be the questions that will follow the passage, and you have to search these answers of the questions from the same passage. For example, I am giving a short passage, an example. Dear students, in 1945, the World War II started. The League of Nations got formed in 1920 after the end of the First World War. Its main purpose was to check the further wars in the world. Ultimately, this League of Nations failed, and Second World War broke out in 1939, and this war also culminated in 1945. But this Second World War had some major consequences. One of the important consequences of the Second World War was that the UNO got formed on 24th of October 1945, and its purpose was only to check the further wars in the world and to bring peace and prosperity in the world. And one more consequences of the Second World War was that the major, or we can say the many colonized nations of the world started gaining freedom rather. India was first, followed by Sri Lanka, Indonesia. But one more consequence of that was Second World was that its culmination was that the world got divided into two opposite hostile blocks, and these blocks were former USSR and the United States of America, and they were promoting two different ideologies, the communist ideology and the capitalist ideology. And there remained a tension between USSR and USA right from 1945 to 1991 over the supremacy, and this tension between the USSR and USA right from 1945 to 1991 is termed as the Cold War in world history. Dear students, during the Cold World War, the major developments take place. It's war, the Cuban Missile Crisis was there, and the many situations arose in the world where it was believed that the Cold War might change into hot war. So the Tension between the two states from 1945 to 1991 is termed as the Cold War in world history. In 1991, the USSR collapsed like a bundle of cards. This is called the disintegration of USSR, and finally the world order changed. It was the bipolar world, and bipolar world got changed into unipolar world. So this is an example of the passage, and from that very passage, the questions would be taken out, and you have to answer these questions by finding the answers of these questions from that very passage. For example, on which date the United Nations Organization got formed? 24th of October 1945, 24th of October 1946, 24th of October 1951, and you have to select the appropriate one. When League of Nations got formed? League of Nations got formed 1919, 1998, 1918, 1920, 1921. What's Cold War? And you have to find its answer from that very passage. What were the two opposed blocks? That is USA and USSR. What were the two different ideologies? That is the communist ideology and capitalist ideology. This is how you can handle a passage there. And after that, there would be a question that would be based on a map. And you have to locate some countries on that very map if map is given. For example, if you are asked to locate the countries of Southeast Asia in the map, that is ASEAN Regional Corporation. First of all, there would be a map, and you should have the map of the Southeast Asia in mind, and then you have to locate the different status whatever is asked there. For example, Indonesia, China, Philippines, Laos, and Japan. Similarly, there is another regional corporation, that is the SOC, South Asian Association for the Regional Corporation, and these all states are in the South Asia, and you have to keep in the mind the map of the South Asia, and then if it is asked, you have to locate the places, you have to locate the states of falling in the South Asia. For example, where is Pakistan, where is Nepal, where is India, where is Bangladesh, where is Afghanistan, and you have to give their location on the map. This is how you can handle a map question there, and the question that is of the passage type. Dear students, your paper shall be of the CBSE pattern, and CBSE pattern is a unique pattern for you. There would be one marks question, 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 4 marks, 5 marks, and 6 marks question. Short answer, very short answer, medium questions, long questions, map questions, passage questions, and multiple choice questions. It is so simple. You have to memorize the notice, and by memorizing the notice you can even do the passage, and you can also um, correctly answer the rest of the questions, medium questions, long answer questions, multiple choice questions, and very short questions. Dear students, but important thing is that you have to go through the prescribed curriculum very thoroughly, or you have to read the things thoroughly, so that you can crack the examinations with ease. Dear student, this is all about this passage and map question. If it's asked in the board examinations, do work hard, don't move beyond the 60%. 40% concession is there, and you will cross the examination with ease. Dear students, my prayers are with you. If any sort of a query strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me, you can forward your query, and I would be round the clock available for you for responding that very query. Thanks. Be balanced.